Welcome to PCI 101 by SecurityMetrics. Let's dive into requirement 6. Develop and maintain secure systems and software. Staying up to date with all of your software and apps is vital. While it may be annoying to constantly update the software on your devices, neglecting to do so can mean the difference between safe and exposed. Hackers are constantly looking for ways to exploit the tools that businesses use, including those that are out of date. If you've developed payment applications within your organization, such as e-commerce websites or point-of-sale applications, make sure to follow strict development processes and secure coding guidelines, like the Open Web Application Security Project Standard, or the OWASP for short. It's important to remember that app developers make mistakes, and things can fall through the cracks, which is why it's critical to be aware of updates available for your systems. Once you learn about a new update, make sure you patch all critical systems you're using, like internet browsers, firewalls, application software, databases, point-of-sale terminals, and operating systems. If you don't, your system may be vulnerable to malware and other security issues, allowing an attacker to target or gain access to a system containing sensitive cardholder data. It's also important to implement web application firewalls in front of public-facing web applications so you can monitor, detect, and prevent web-based attacks. Something as simple as updating your software can make a world of difference for the security of your organization. Thanks for watching PCI 101 by SecurityMetrics. If you have any questions about this requirement, visit our website at securitymetrics.com or give our PCI experts a call at 801-995-6855.